Hello students, let's read this problem together. The figure below is made of a trapezoid and a rectangle. What is the area of the shaded region of the composite figure? So in our question, they're asking about area. So we are looking for area, but of the shaded region. So if we take a look at the figure, the first thing we're going to see is that they already told us the two simple shapes that it is made out of. It is made out of a trapezoid, which we see here, and it is also made of a rectangle. And the only part we're interested in is the shaded region, which is this part here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start finding the area of each shape. So let's start with trapezoid. And if we look here at the anchor chart in the bottom of your screen, we see that we have trapezoid is half of base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So we're going to go ahead and write that down for the area of trapezoid. So we're going to substitute our dimensions into the formula. So base 1, here's one of the bases. We'll call that base 1. And then the other base of the trapezoid, we're going to call that base 2. So base 1 is 4 plus base 2 is 8. Times the height. The height is from one base to the other, and it is 4 meters. So we're going to do what's inside the parentheses. We have 4 plus 8, which is 12. So we have half of 12 times 4. So we'll do 12 times 4 is 48. So half of 48. So the area, half of 48 is 48 divided by 2, which is 24 squared meters. So now we have the area of our trapezoid. And now we're going to find the area of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle, according to our formula chart, is base times height. So we're going to substitute the dimensions of our figure into the formula. And when we look at the rectangle, we have the base is the same as the base of the trapezoid. So our base is 8. And the height of the rectangle is this side right here, and it is 6. So we have the area is 8 times 6. And 8 times 6 is 48. And we have squared meters. So this is the area of our rectangle. And now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So in this problem, look at the shaded region. Is it putting two pieces together? No, it's not, right? Because one shape is inside the other shape. Or we can kind of think about it like I could think about this rectangle being a big piece of wood. And then I cut out the trapezoid to make something, right? So I'm actually taking out one shape from the other. So we are finding the difference. So in this problem, in order to find our area, we need to find the difference. The area of the rectangle was 48 square meters. And we have to subtract the area of the trapezoid, which was 24 square meters. And that leaves us with 24 square meters. This is the area that is left in the shaded region. So if we look at our answer choices, the correct answer is A, 24 square meters is the area of the shaded region of this composite figure.